The Eco Battery 36 volt 105 amp hour bundle. First, a little bit about Eco Battery. They have an impressive 8-year warranty, cart-specific install bundles, and the best customer service in the industry. That's right, folks. They answer when you call and are eager to help. This 36 volt 105 amp hour battery is about 1 foot square in size, has 175 amp continuous power, and up to 500 amps of max power. This will be a great battery for any 36 volt cart, from modified to people movers to ones that traverse hilly and unflat terrain regularly. This is the only 36 volt offering from Eco and will make your cart up to 5 times lighter than with lead acid. All Eco cart specific bundles come with the battery, any applicable hardware, a CAN enabled onboard charger, state of charge meter, a cart specific charge port plug that would replace your current one, and then an optional 12 volt converter. 12 volt converter would power any of your 12 volt devices such as cell phone chargers, radios, headlights, taillights, blinkers, anything of that such. You would need this to step the power down from the battery at 48 volts to 12 volts as to not mess up any of those devices. Overall, this is a great option in today's market, one of the best 36 volts around from a very reputable company.